Scott, it's MAC 2018. Now, you guys have a very impressive stand here, but there's a lot of partners that you've got at this show. But what I'm really interested in is what's the journey been like over the last few months for CG Tech?
It's been really positive, Mark. Very, very positive start to the year. Very strong start to the year in terms of our sales. So we're looking like we're going to grow again this year based on our first quarter. Real emphasis at the moment on the Force product, lots of inquiries, and we've taken some good orders at the start of the year for Force. And I think that's really due to the hard work and effort we put into promotion of the product last year following the Force Roadshow events.
Now, when you look at a lot of the applications that you work within and your customers, aerospace is quite a key for you guys, isn't it?
It's for sure our biggest sector, Mark. But we are seeing, obviously, more growth into other sectors. Medical's been a very good area for us last year, as oil and gas coming back a bit as well in the far north of England. So yeah, we're growing in all sectors at the moment.
And when you look at the future or the rest of 2018, is there anything new coming out from Vericut?
There are some things on the horizon, some enhancements to all of the products. Additive as well, we're seeing some inquiries about that now. It's been a bit slow coming to the market, but I believe that additive is coming. We've already got the software to support that into the industry. And we've also get quite a lot of inquiries from our existing customers on upgrades this week. Quite a lot of our customers are more so verifying probing on their machines. And a lot of the time, the probing routines are still like handwritten, so they're generating the code out of the NC or the CAM system, but probing may not necessarily be supported in the CAM system, so they're handwriting the probing code. So we've had a lot of inquiries this week for probing as well. So as well as new business, we've had lots of opportunities for new business throughout the show, and it's only Wednesday.
And one thing I've noticed, you seem to have a few more bodies at CG Tech.
We're expanding, Mark. Rob Lightfoot stepping down at the end of April. He's been with the business for 23 years. It's very sad to see him go, but we've decided to take on 2 new sales engineers, so we're going to have 3 throughout the UK now. And we're also expanding our technical team, and that's to support the growth in sales.
And when you say growth in sales, is there still a lot of opportunities for you out in the UK?
For sure, Mark. Yeah, we will continue to grow. You'd be sure of that.
Scott, it's been great to see you again.
Thanks.
Have a good show.
Thank you very much, Mark. Pleasure to see you.